Teachers, we're inspired by all you do. So we're committed to helping you create a classroom culture where critical thinking and problem solving are both routine and valued. So let's dive into ThinkUp ELA, starting with the table of contents. The strength of this tool is evident in the first turn of the page. ThinkUp ELA offers 20 units of high-quality text that marry standards-aligned and research-based instruction with the power of Mentoring Mind's own 9 traits of critical thinking. You'll notice in the table of contents there are rich and diverse genres represented as well as practiced in both single and paired text. One of the features that makes ThinkUp ELA a valuable instructional tool is its flexibility. Units can easily be arranged to match and support any curriculum guide. Following the units of instruction, there's a wealth of helpful information in the Teacher Resource section to guide you as you incorporate ThinkUp ELA into your district's plan for quality literacy instruction. You can find a meticulously detailed critical analysis tool that outlines the frequency of each standard throughout the units as well as instructional component in which it's been addressed. Also included is a list of authentic literature titles, sorted by the skill they help to support during instruction. Each title has been analyzed and is lexiled for your convenience using metametrics. We've included a glossary of terms in both the Teacher Edition and Student Edition. This tool supports a systematic campus or district approach to providing students consistent academic language for recognizing and understanding ELA concepts.